So I realized shortly after finishing the video that there is a slight issue here. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we can fix this really quickly. This code here is not going to work how we need it if we want just one single weapon. This was something I was actually working on for the next tutorial where I'm not finished making it work properly yet though, so I haven't done that yet, and I'll be doing it here in the next couple days. It'll make it so that we can throw any weapon, and depending on the weapon in hand will depend what weapon is actually thrown. For now we're doing it just for the steel sword. And so we're actually going to delete this and create a new variable named has steel sword with a question mark. And we're going to plug this into our branch right here. Compile it and make sure by default it's set to false. And now we're going to locate our steel sword display item. On the begin play, you can ignore this. This was from a durability component I was working on. Actually, I might want to leave that there, because just ignore that and act as if it was not there on yours. So from the parent begin play, we're going to want to cast to combat character. For object, we're going to get player character. And we're going to create a reference variable here named player. And we're going to set the has steel sword to true. Now right click and get the event destroyed. Drag in the player variable and get the variable. And we're going to set has steel sword to false. Now if I have the steel sword, I should be able to throw it. There we go. And let's try it with the great sword, make sure it doesn't work. There we go. It's not working now. And let's put back our steel sword. Alright. So I'm sorry about that. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.